Welcome aboard. I'm Captain Mike. This is my first mate, Audrey. We started Barnegat Bay Sailing School in the mid-90s here at Cedar Creek Sailing Center in Bayville, New Jersey. The constant sea breezes and calm bay waters make Barnegat Bay the perfect setting for learning to sail. We offer our basic keelboat courses on board the very responsive Catalina Capri. The course consists of 3 hours of classroom session and 10 hours of on-the-water training over a 2-day period. For those sailors looking to practice and refine their skills, we have a 23-foot O-Day and 23-foot Pearson Ensign to rent for a half-day or full day.
For the advanced sailor, we offer a 2-day coastal cruising course aboard this beautifully maintained and outfitted Catalina 30.
Our sunset and 3-hour cruises are an option for those times when friends are in town or celebrating a special occasion.
Having my boat here at Cedar Creek allows me to draw upon Mike and Audrey's expertise and has really helped me to fine-tune my sailing ability.
If you are near Barnegat Bay and looking to take sailing lessons, Barnegat Bay Sailing School is the place to go.
Barnegat Bay Sailing School gave us the training and the confidence to own our own boat. Thank you, Mike and Audrey.
So cast off your lines and set sail for Barnegat Bay Sailing School, voted ASA Outstanding Sailing School 2 years in a row.
Barnegat Bay Sailing School, Bayville, New Jersey, 732-269-1351. On the web at www.sailingnj.com. Barnegat Bay Sailing School is an ASA affiliated sailing school.